Greetings of the day, everyone. This is Sharda, your LK 12 teacher of class 5th from Bal Bharati Vidyapeeth School, Gohan. In our previous video of LK, we had discussed about the fourth component of LK, which is grammar. There in that video, we have learned about prepositions, which was the first topic of our grammar part. And here in this video, today we are going to learn about connectors, right? Connectors, as the name suggests, connect, to join, jod dena, right? Let's take definition. Connectors are words which connect two or more ideas, two or more statements, two or more phrases, right? How will it work? Let's learn. So, first of all, we have some common connectors which are used commonly, right? And the first one is and. And is used when both ideas exist and are of equal importance. Means there are two sentences, but what's the fact? The fact is these both sentences are of equal importance. Let's take example. Virat made a world record and made India proud. कि विराट ने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, एंड मेड इंडिया प्राउड, और जिसकी वजह से इंडिया को प्राउड फील हुआ, राइट? सो हियर वी हैड टू सेंटेंसेस विद इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस, सो वी जॉइंड दीज टू विद एंड, राइट? नेक्स्ट, but connects the two statements or phrases with unlike ideas, means which are not with the same idea, or we can say contradiction, right? Virat made a world record, which is a proud feeling, but India lost the match. India to match haar gayi, which is a sad feeling. So we joined these two types of sentences with the help of but. Next is or. Shows there is one choice or option. If we have choice somewhere and if we want to connect such sentences, we have the connector or. Let's take example. We can eat an apple or an orange. Means we have some choice. Apple or orange. Okay. So let's check some more examples, or let's try to understand these in deep. Observe the sentences. The first sentence is Virat made a world record. Virat made India proud. Here in part A, we have two sentences, two independent sentences. And what is there in B part? Virat made a world record and made India proud. Means here in part B, the sentences which were given in part 1 are connected with the connector and. Has the meaning changed? No. Meaning is not changed at all. Okay? It means connectors जब हमारे दो sentences को connect करते हैं तो उनका meaning change नहीं होता. They connect two sentences without changing their meaning. Okay? In both the A and B, the meaning remains the same as I told you. The word and is used when both ideas exist and are of equal importance. Like एक खुशी की बात है तो दूसरी भी खुशी की ही बात होनी चाहिए, तभी हम उनको एंड के माध्यम से ऐड कर पाएंगे, ज्वाइन कर पाएंगे. बट अगर एक हैप्पीनेस की बात है, दूसरी सैड है, तो हम उनको बट से कनेक्ट करेंगे, राइट? Let's take the next slide. Now we are again given two sentences. Virat made a world record. Very good. बहुत अच्छी बात है. India lost the match. विराट का तो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बन गया, लेकिन इंडिया मैच हार गई. One sentence is saying that we should be happy to hear it, but on the other hand, India lost the match, so we are sad. Let's take the B part. Virat made a world record, but India lost the match. कि विराट ने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तो बना दिया, पर इंडिया मैच हार गई. Okay. So what is the difference between sentences A and B? In part A, two independent sentences are given. And in part B, those two independent sentences are connected with but. Okay? Which is a contradiction. In both the A and B, the meaning remains the same. Meaning जो है दोनों में ही same रहेगा. The word but connects two sentences or phrases with unlike ideas, different ideas, or is used to show contradiction. Clear? Okay, now we are given another two examples. First is, we can eat an apple. We can eat an orange. These two independent sentences are given. कि हम apple भी खा सकते हैं और orange भी खा सकते हैं. Means we have choice. And what's given in part B? We can eat an apple or an orange. The same thing. Meaning is same, right? But in part B, those two independent sentences are connected with the help of a connector or. So, the word or connects two sentences or phrases to show a choice or option, right? I hope these common connectors are clear to you. Now, let's take a look of the sequence connectors. What are sequence connectors? Let's check. Okay. Here, a picture is given. A picture of a clock. Take a look of the time. It's 3 o'clock. Okay. On the same time, what's happening? Komal is sleeping and mom is reading a book. Same time, but two actions are performed here. One is Komal is sleeping, and on the other hand, mom is reading a book. So, which word can be used to connect these two sentences? Let's check. Komal was sleeping while mom was reading a book. 3 बजे क्या हो रहा था? कोमल सो रही थी और उसकी मदर बुक पढ़ रही थी. Same time. Okay? Or we can write the sentence another way too. While Komal was sleeping, then we use comma here to separate. Mom was reading a book. Clear? So, connector while. कौन सा connector use किया? While. क्यों? There were two sequences. Okay? Same time, but two verbs were there. Okay? So, to define such sequences, or we can say such instance, okay, we use while. We use while to show two events happening at the same time. 2 इवेंट थे, एक सोने का और दूसरा बुक रीडिंग का. और दोनों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए हमने क्या यूज किया? while. Clear? Okay. Now take a look of these two pictures now. What is given? Rohan and Rita are leaving the party. Anita and Sunil are arriving at a party. Take a look of the clock. रोहन और रीता जब पार्टी से जा रहे हैं तो इट्स 2 o'clock, और जब अनीता एंड सुनील पार्टी में आ रहे हैं इट्स 3 o'clock. Who came before? Rohan and Rita, right? When did Rohan and Rita leave? At 2 o'clock. And when did Anita and Sunil arrive? At 3 o'clock. Did both the events happen at the same time? No. दोनों इवेंट एक टाइम पे सेम टाइम पे नहीं हुए. So let us try connecting both the statements. Try करते हैं दोनों को कनेक्ट करने की. We know that one event happened first and then the next event took place. हमें पता है कि एक इवेंट पहले हुआ और उसके बाद दूसरा, राइट? हम कह सकते हैं अनीता और सुनील रोहन और रीता के जाने के बाद आए, या फिर हम दूसरे तरीके से कह सकते हैं रोहन एंड रीता पार्टी से चले गए अनीता और सुनील के आने से पहले, राइट? तो वी कैन कनेक्ट सच सेंटेंसेस with the help of two connectors, which are before and after. Let's check how. Anita and Sunil arrived at the party when? After Rohan and Rita left. रोहन और रीता के जाने के बाद. या फिर हम इसको बिफोर से भी कर सकते हैं. What will happen in that case? रोहन एंड रीता लेफ्ट. रोहन और रीता चले गए. कहाँ से? लेफ्ट द पार्टी से. बिफोर, कब? पहले ही. अनीता एंड सुनील अराइव. अनीता और सुनील के आने से पहले, राइट? सो आई होप दीज टू आर क्लियर. These are called sequence connectors. क्यों? Because there is one event, one or more events, and these are happening at a particular time, right? एक पहले हो रहा है, एक बाद में हो रहा है. तो इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Sequence connector. When two events happen, one followed by the next, we can connect these two events using before or after. We use it to show the sequence of events. Events का sequence show करने के लिए हम sequence connectors use कर रहे हैं, which are before and after. Okay. Let's take a look of one more example. We are given two sentences. Naveen reached the hotel. His friends had already left. We are given two independent sentences, and we can connect these two using before or after. Let's check how. Naveen reached the hotel after his friends had left. Okay, means कब पहुंचा नवीन? कब पहुंचा होटल? जब उसके फ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी जा चुके थे. या फिर हम बिफोर से भी उसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. His friends had already left before Naveen reached the hotel. कि उसके फ्रेंड्स पहले ही जा चुके थे. कब? किससे पहले? कि नवीन होटल पहुंचता उससे पहले ही. ओके, आई होप these two are clear to you. Next, we are given some more sequence connectors. First, then, next, later, and finally. And these connectors are used to show the sequence of events in a story or series of steps. Means कोई event है जिसमें बहुत सारे sequences हैं. So, to show those sequences, we use these sequence connectors. Here we are given example. First, I break the eggs. What are we doing? We are preparing omelette, right? So, what did I do first? I break the eggs. Then, I heat oil in a pan. Next, I add the eggs. Later, I add salt and pepper and let it cook. Finally, I eat the omelette with toast. मैंने ऑमलेट किसके साथ खाया? टोस्ट के साथ. क्लियर? सो अगर हमारे पास कोई स्टोरी दी गई है या कोई इवेंट है जो बड़ा है जिसमें काफी सारे सीक्वेंसेस हैं, so to show such sequences we use these sequence connectors first, then next, later or finally. Clear? Next we have reasoning connectors. As the name suggests, reason, कारण, है ना? Reason जब हम बताते हैं. Connectors that join two sentences by giving a reason are called reasoning connectors. कि वो connectors जो reason दे के sentence को क्या करता है? Connect करता है. So we are given 3 reasoning connectors here, because, as and since. These are used to give a reason for an action. कि किसी एक्शन का रीजन देने के लिए हम इनमें से कोई भी रीजनिंग कनेक्टर यूज कर सकते हैं टू कनेक्ट द टू स्टेटमेंट्स. लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल्स. हेमंत वाज लेट. हेमंत लेट था बिकॉज ही वाज स्टक इन ट्रैफिक. क्यों लेट हुआ? क्योंकि वो ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. रेखा was late as she forgot about her flight timing. रेखा क्यों लेट थी? क्योंकि वो अपनी फ्लाइट की टाइमिंग्स भूल गई थी. राइट? नेक्स्ट इज मनीष was late since he did not know the route to the airport. मनीष क्यों लेट हुआ? क्योंकि उसे एयरपोर्ट का रास्ता नहीं पता था, इसलिए वो लेट हो गया. सो दीज आर सम रीजनिंग कनेक्टर्स गिवन. आई होप द टॉपिक ऑफ कनेक्टर्स इज क्लियर टू यू. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो स्टूडेंट्स. बाय बाय. हैप्पी लर्निंग.